Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn Summerville Cain and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over Teami Blends Detox. I get a lot of questions about this and it's so hard to answer them all when I have like 5 minutes before I have to be somewhere and I'm typing a message. So I'm hoping I can answer any question in this video. If y'all do have any other questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll be happy to answer them. Before we get started, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel and give this video a big ol' like. It means everything to me. And I want to start doing this, a little roll call. Comment down below and let me know if you're watching right now. I want to see who all watches and, you know, give thanks to those that really do watch. So comment down below right now if you're watching. And yeah, we're just going to get started. Teami Blends Detox is a 30-day detox. When you order it, you get this detox calendar, so you can mark off each day that you do it. It says skinny colon, because you do the colon tea, which we will go over, every other day, and the skinny tea every day. For me, this detox has worked wonders. I lost 14 pounds and I did 3 detoxes with that. So with the first, and I have experimented around with this just to see how well it really works, because if I'm promoting something, because I am a Teami Blends influencer, I want to make sure that I really believe in the product. So the first 2 that I did, I lost about 14 pounds. And that was with eating healthy, eating right, you know, no fast food, just drinking water, you know, no junk food, no chips, no candy, nothing like that. And with the third detox I did, I wasn't as lenient on my diet. I really didn't watch what I ate, but I stayed at the consistent weight. I didn't lose any, but I also didn't gain any eating whatever I wanted to. And I say that I really don't eat a bunch of junk food or fast food, but you know, I ate a few more chips, or we would eat out a little bit more. I wasn't really strict. What I eat is, for breakfast, a lot of times I eat these Kellogg protein meal bars. It has 5 grams of fiber, it has 13 vitamins and minerals, it has 12 grams of protein, and I really enjoy these for breakfast. And I am out of them right now. I have to get some next time I go back to Walmart, but the Premier protein shakes are amazing. They are amazing. So I'll replace a meal with the protein shake. I usually do that at night, and then that for breakfast. And for lunch, I'll eat baked chicken, you know, with green beans or something in it, tuna, salads. I wouldn't say I'm super educated on healthy food, because I'm not. So I know, oh, the ranch dressing isn't very, you know, good for your diet, but that's what I like on my salads. I just make sure I don't eat fast food, fried foods, anything like that, pizza, anything like that when I am on my super strict diet. So overall, with the detox, you're cleaning yourself out and you're making yourself feel refreshed, and it's just really good for your body. So like I said, you'll do a skinny tea every other day, and it does come loose leaf. You'll take a teaspoon of this and put it in a cup and then boil some water. We have a tea kettle, and I absolutely love this thing. You can steep it for 3 to 5 minutes if you're using a tea strainer. They do have these through Teami Blends, or you can get, you know, other places, Amazon or wherever, or they have tumblers. And this is what I use. And it just, you put your tea leaves in there, you put your boiling water, let it, you know, steep for however long. If you're making it that day and you want to hurry up and drink it, let it steep, you know, however long you want to, and you can put some ice in there, let it cool off so you can drink it faster. And then once you're done, no matter if you use this, if you use just a regular coffee mug, and you can use a regular coffee mug, your leaves will be loose, But if you do eat it, that's extra fiber, so it's not harmful to eat the tea leaves. But leave them in there. If you use this, set it to the side and leave it, because 3 different times that day you can boil water and remake this tea. But remember, every morning you want to start out with fresh leaves. But usually how I do mine is I do this at night, and I let it cool off for a little bit, and then I stick it in the fridge, so that way in the morning it's ready to grab and go. Anyways, there's that. But the skinny tea, it helps with energy, it boosts your metabolism, and it helps with cravings. And I will say, drinking this three times throughout the day, my appetite is way less than it usually is. I don't get hungry as often, I don't snack throughout the day, but if I do, I'll snack on whole wheat crackers, almonds, you know, stuff like that, pickles. I know the sodium's not good for you, but they do have sodium-free pickles, which are really good too. It does taste really good to me. I love green tea, the mixed berry, but when I drink regular, just plain green tea, I'm not a big fan of it. Don't think this tastes like that. It doesn't. I can't describe this taste, but it does taste really good. When you're steeping your tea, you can also add, you know, honey or cinnamon or whatever you want to add flavor or extra benefits, whatever it may be. You can make this your specialty. Every other night, you'll do a Teami colon tea. Now, this comes in individual little bags. So I just do this in a coffee mug. Let it steep for 1 to 3 minutes, but you build yourself up. So you may do it, you know, 2 or 3 minutes the first night, 5 or 6 minutes the second night, and then you can work your way up to letting it steep for 30 minutes. The more you steep it, the more it's going to clean you out in the morning. And I've had questions about how urgent you have to go the next day. So if this talk is TMI for you, fast forward. I do not have a gallbladder, so a lot of things that I eat literally goes right through me. And with this, when I get up in the morning and I drink my tea, it hits me, and it's not like I'm about to go on myself. I mean, I can make it to the bathroom. It's not one of those things that, oh, it's gonna hit you, you know, once you're at work for 30 minutes. It hits you pretty fast in the morning. So I do like that I'm not, you know, gonna have to get in the school line with my daughter and have to go while I'm in my car, you know. I've already went. You drink it every other night, and it helps get all the nasty toxins out of your body. I got curious if whether or not I was just losing the weight because of the diet I was going on. So I was like, okay. So I tried another weight loss program, whatever you want to call it. I ordered the 3 different capsules you can get from Fit Affinity, and I did the same exact diet I do on my Teami Blends, and I gained about 8 pounds. It was somewhere around there. So it isn't just the diet that was doing it for me, it is this tea. I'm just super excited that Teami Blends ended up reaching out to me. It was sometime last year, and I chose their Teami Blends green tea detox mask because I was really leery on a skinny tea. I was like, okay, this isn't a magical drink, and it's not a magical drink. I'll get to that in just a second. But I finally broke down and ordered it, and it has changed my life. For those of y'all that don't know, I have a lot of neck issues, a lot of back issues, knee issues, so I'm not as active as I used to be. I'm not active at all right now. So, you know, I'm not moved around a lot. My metabolism isn't as fast as it used to be. So this really does help me, since I can't go work out, I can't go be active. I have the hiccups, I'm really sorry. I'm actually fixing to make me a tea while we're talking. Okay, so I just put that on the oven, getting the water hot, and I'll show y'all what it looks like with the tea leaves in there. It really is helpful, and I really do believe in this product. I am 100% honest with you guys when it comes to stuff. I will not review any type of product, whether it's makeup, skincare, diet stuff, without actually really trying it, looking at it from all different angles. And with that being said, like I mentioned a while ago, it is not a magic drink. There is no magic pill out there, magic drink that's just gonna help you lose weight. If you're doing this tea and you're not exercising or you're not eating right, don't expect to lose weight, because it's just not gonna happen. You have to at least do one or the other. So please take in mind, if you're gonna order this tea, please, I am begging you, change the way you eat if you're not already eating healthy, because if not, you're just wasting your money, and I don't want anybody to waste their money. If you're not prepared to make a lifestyle change with this, because this is a lifestyle change, then please do not order it, because like I said, I don't want you to waste your money. But if you're ready to make that commitment to eat healthier, live healthier, then I do highly recommend this. I do. You can use the code Jessie Lynn online at www.teamiblends.com and get 15% off. This video is not sponsored by any means. Like I said, I get so many questions about this tea, and I just wanted to sit down and do a video because it's a lot easier than not being able to completely say what I want to say, because when people say, oh, well, I want to know about it, there's so much to say about it, and I don't always have the time to type out everything I want to say about it. So I just felt like this would be the easiest way to go about doing that. But I'm not just doing this because I do make, you know, a commission off of it. It's not like I'm gonna make, you know, 20 bucks off someone ordering one detox. I may make, you know, a couple of bucks off of it. So that's not what it's about at all. And I will always let y'all know there may be, you know, a better discount code, a better sale going on if you look on their website. Usually the discount codes that our managers give us are better than the codes on the website, but always look. Right now we're just waiting on my water to boil. If you've made it this far into the video and y'all have any questions, comment down below. Let me know. Let me know what y'all are thinking about it. If y'all have tried it, let me know how it's worked for y'all. You know, maybe we can help each other out. If y'all have tried something along with this tea that really worked, you know, we're just here to help each other. There it is, up close. I really enjoy doing this. I know some might be like, oh, well, I don't have time to make tea. Like I said, make it at night. Have it in the fridge where it's ready to go in the morning, ready to drink in the morning. You can use any kind of cup. This is just a Tervis cup, but if you have, you know, a cup with the lid on there, that can also help strain the tea leaves from, you know, if you don't want to just sit there and have to worry about drinking the tea leaves. But like I said, they are full of fiber, so they are really good for you if you do get tea leaves in your mouth. Go ahead and swallow them. I don't want anybody to feel like you have to get a tumbler or you have to get a tea infuser, because you can use just whatever's at your house. My water was starting to whistle, so we're just going to pour it in there. This is my second time today making tea with these leaves, and it just looks really cool to me. I'm a dork. And yeah, like I said, you can do this 3 times a day with this tea, or with the tea leaves that are in there right now. Later on tonight, I can boil some more water and pour it in there and drink another one. But like I said, when I make my tea for tomorrow, I'll pour these tea leaves out and put fresh ones in there, because you want to start fresh each day. And yeah, that is it for this video. If y'all have any questions, let me know. I may later on do a detox giveaway on my Instagram. If that's something y'all are interested in, comment down below and let me know. Go follow me on Instagram. It's Jessie Lynn Cain. So if I do it, y'all can be in on that. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Toodles.